Yes, these 5 habits will genuinely make you more valuable by tomorrow morning. But here's what the title didn't tell you. None of them require extra time, money, or motivation. They require subtraction, not addition. Most people chase value by doing more. More courses, more networking, more posting. But the people who are quietly respected in every room they walk into, they've stopped doing certain things and started doing almost nothing differently. By the end of this video, you'll have 5 exact behaviors you can install today. And the reason they work has everything to do with how other people's brains are wired, not how hard you're willing to grind. Let's get into it. Habit number 1, selective silence. Here's something no productivity guru tells you. Talking less makes people trust you more. When you pause 3 seconds before responding in any conversation, something neurological happens for the other person. They perceive you as deliberate, confident, and in control. It's called the processing pause, and executives use it unconsciously. You're going to use it consciously. Starting today, before you respond to anything, like a question, a criticism, a compliment, count silently to 3. Your words become scarcer. Scarce things are valuable. Now that habit changes how people hear you, but the next one changes how well you hear the world around you. And that's where it gets interesting. Habit number 2, the 1 observation journal. Forget journaling about feelings. This is a sharpness journal. Every night, write down 1 thing you noticed today that most people walked past. A pattern in your industry, a contradiction in someone's behavior, a small inefficiency nobody's fixing. That's it. 1 observation. What this does over 30 days is extraordinary, Mapanin. Your brain starts operating like a radar, trained to find signal in noise. High-value people aren't smarter. They're sharper. This habit is the training ground. If you want a simple template for this, I put together a free 1-page observation journal starter that takes 90 seconds a night. Link is in the description. No fluff, just the framework. But sharpness means nothing if people don't trust you. That's where habit number 3 comes in. And most people are silently bleeding credibility because of it. Habit number 3, inbox 0 on your reputation. Every unanswered message is a quiet credibility leak. Not because people are keeping score, they're not, but because your presence is felt in your responsiveness. Before you sleep tonight, reply to every outstanding message. 1 sentence is enough. On it. Noted. Thank you. Let's connect Thursday. Reliability, when it's rare, becomes your brand, and it costs you nothing but 10 minutes. Now that your reputation is sealed, let's talk about building skills that create leverage without stealing a minute from your actual day. Habit number 4, skill stacking and dead time. You already have 45 minutes a day of invisible learning time. Your commute, your workout, washing dishes. The world's highest earners don't have more hours. They've just monetized the hours everyone else wastes. Pick 1 micro skill. 10 minutes a day, audio format, during a task that doesn't need your full brain. In 90 days, you'll have logged over 15 hours in a skill nobody saw you building. That's leverage. Quiet, compounding, unstoppable. 1 habit left. And this one is the fastest to implement and the most immediately visible to everyone around you. Habit number 5, the pre-meeting minute. Before any conversation, interaction, or meeting, take 60 seconds to ask yourself, what does this person actually care about right now? Their deadline, their frustration, their goal. Then walk in with that awareness. You won't just be present, you'll be relevant. And relevant people get remembered, promoted, and referred. This habit costs 1 minute and returns disproportionate social capital. It is the single fastest way to be perceived as someone worth paying attention to. 5 habits. 0 extra hours required. Silence that builds authority. Observation that builds sharpness. Responsiveness that builds trust. Dead time that builds leverage. And 1 minute of preparation that makes you unforgettable. You came here expecting tips. What you got was a rewiring of how you show up. Starting tonight. That's the deal I wanted to deliver on. If one of these habits already clicked for you, drop it in the comments. And if this helped, subscribe, because we help you think sharper, grow faster, and actually get things done.